Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, Adam Unpacked. Hopefully you can hear me. I've got a bit of background noise off in the distance. There's a sweeper running down the street. But today I wanted to talk to you about a new VEVOR product that I put on my chicken coop. It is an automatic chicken door. It opens in the morning and it closes in the evening. You know, on this channel, we love doing product reviews, and I love finding people cost-effective solutions for everyday problems. And again, VEVOR has hit a home run here. Keep in mind, guys, I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. This is money that I have spent myself and looking for solutions to everyday problems. Let's have a look at what I'm talking about. So this is my new chicken run that I'm building here, putting up chicken wire. I've got my timer for my garden, etc. But on my chicken coop that I built here, I had a manual door on here originally, right? So essentially what you would have is you would have this ramp for the chickens to go in and out, and then you would have a manual door. What I wanted to do was automate this process because there's times where I'm not around in the evening at a specific time to close it up. And again, in the morning, I might be traveling for work, etc. So I ended up picking up this VEVOR automatic door. It runs on 3 AA batteries that are stored in here. So you should easily be able to get a year's worth of open and closing out of those 3 AA batteries. And then here you can see the current time is 10:21. One thing to note, this does run on the 24-hour clock. So currently it is set to open at 6 o'clock a.m. and it will close at 20, which is 8 p.m. There you go. You can see the time. Super easy to set up. Instructions are right here. You can also manually open and close the door. I'll show you what that looks like just so you kind of get a feel for the device. That's how fast it moves. Super awesome. All the way down. Nice clean close. And then we will open it up again as well by hitting the blue button. Check this out. Super clean setup. I love the simplicity of it. Awesome. Easy to set up. It literally just has one little gear in here that actually elevates the door up and down. And you can see it just fits this perfectly. So there you go. A very cheap alternative to a lot of expensive options for chicken coops. And as usual, guys, I will leave a link to the description of this product down below. It's actually not an affiliate link. I'm not set up as an affiliate with VEVOR yet, although hopefully one day they see my videos and that does happen. But nonetheless, great product for a great price, and it does the job. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.